हेलो लर्नर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ए प्लस इनसाइट। तो आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि आप एक्सेल में डाटा टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम फंक्शन का यूज़ कैसे कर सकते हैं। सो बेसिकली टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम फंक्शन यूज़ होता है टू स्प्लिट वन कॉलम इनटू मल्टीपल कॉलम्स। सो यू कैन डू इट बाय डिलिमिनेटर और बाय फिक्स विथ। In this video, I will tell you how to do it by delimiter. So let's move to the sample sheet here. So in the sheet you can see there are only two columns, last updated date and purchase date in another column. So you can see that purchase date is attached with some more data, which is time of that order. So in case we want to split this date and time in two different columns, then we will use data text to column function and we will get. So on top ribbon you will see data. Click on that. On right hand side you will get text to column option. Then you'll get two option, delimited or fixed with. Here we are doing delimited. In this you will get option tab, semicolon, comma, space, other. So here we are doing it by T. We'll type capital T, and on below preview you can see the date and time is separated. So click on next and finish. Now you are seeing a pop-up box here where there's already data here. Do you want to replace this? So this is referring to the last updated date column. So if you will do OK, you will lose that data. To avoid this mistake, you can insert one column in the left of your last updated date, because you're splitting first column data into two columns. So or you can paste it into the next column. So now we'll reapply the text to column function here. Let's click on data, text to column, and in the box to the next. It's already filled by us. Next and finish. So here you can see that you have got the purchase date and time separately in two columns. Now we'll try this with the shortcut key method. So it's basically Alt A plus E. You will get the same dialog box. You will select delimited. Rest data is filled. You can check that. If you want to change, then you can change it and click on next and finish. In this you can see that data is split in two columns, one with the date only and other one is with time. Suppose you want to remove this plus with additional zeros, then you can click on this. We will split it by the plus sign and next and finish. Yeah, so now you have the time separately and the all zeros are splitted in next column, so you can remove it or keep it. In case you want to apply this only in one column, then do the same and you will get the data splitted. Thank you for watching this video. ऐसे ही knowledgeable वीडियो देखते रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें।